Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we finally did it. We've got all 72 blocks done of the Summer Moon Block of the Month quilt by Carrie Nelson. We're going to have 9 rows down and 8 blocks across. So I've got my rows separated in the order that I want them. It's really a scrappy quilt. If just put them however you think it's balanced, wherever you want, or you can follow the diagram in the back of the book. I'm going to put one row together for you. I'm going to do the rest off camera because doing all of those would be really boring and take a long time. So let me get this laid out for you and I will be back. Okay, I couldn't get it to fit in one long row, so here's the first half of the row and then it continues from here to here. I always put a little tag and I safety pin it to the block that is on the left, so the start of the row. So I always know, when the rows go together, I can just put them back in order, rows 1, 2, 3, 4. So that helps me stay organized. But as typical, just put them right sides together, sew, and just keep going till you're done, and then press it open. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, I forgot to mention that I did mostly follow the design in the back of the book, in case you're curious. Okay, there we have row 1, all done. I kind of like the scrappy background. So let me get this finished and I'll be back to show you the top. Okay, here it is. It's all quilted. I did a little, I'm not even sure what it's called. Just rounding a hook, and then I went and made another hook and just kind of meandered around. This is the backing. So maybe you can see some of the swirls there. And then I just did the self-binding where I just folded it over and bound it that way. But I want to thank you so much for joining me, and please let me know how your quilts did and what kind of quilting you did on yours, because I'm sure other people will want some ideas. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.